we thought we would introduce you to a new member of the Merc family. Since our Mercedes SL65 has sold so well, check out our new licensed Mercedes S63 battery electric ride-on car. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, official brand stickers and badges, functioning horn, and a safety belt. Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. It has a comfortable padded leather style seat. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The media player is USB, aux and SD compatible, meaning that your child can play their own tunes too. If you would like to buy one of these great cars, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free one-day delivery if you live in the UK and if you order before 1 PM. And don't forget, we also give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks and our dust and rain covers.